Tata Steel is one of the oldest and largest steel companies in India. It was founded by Jamsetji Nusarwanji Tata, a prominent businessman and philanthropist, in 1907. At the time, India was the colony of a British Empire, and Tata had the vision of building a world-class steel company that would not only contribute to India's industrialization, but also help the country gain self-sufficiency in steel production. He believed that India's rich mineral resources could be harnessed for the benefit of the country's development. In 1902, Tata visited Pittsburgh in the United States, which was then the center of the steel industry. He was impressed by the scale and efficiency of the steel mills and decided to bring this technology to India. He faced several challenges in setting up a steel company in India. One of the biggest challenges was raising capitals for the project. At the time, India had no indigenous steel industry and investors were skeptical about the feasibility of such a venture. However, Tata was able to convince a group of investors, including the Indian government, to provide the necessary funds. The challenge was finding suitable land for the steel plant. After an extensive search, Tata selected a site in Sakshi, a small village in the present-day state of Jharkhand. The area was rich in iron ore deposits and had easy access to coal mines and water resources. Tata also faced the challenge of finding skilled labor for the plant. He recruited workers from all over India and provided them with training in modern steel making techniques. He also established a township near the plant, which provided housing, healthcare, and educational facilities for the workers and their families. Despite these challenges, Tata persevered, and in 1907 he established the Tata Iron and Steel Company (TISCO) in Jamshedpur, a small town in eastern state of Jharkhand. The company began production in 1912 and soon became a major player in the Indian steel industry. TISCO faced many challenges during its early years. The company had to deal with a shortage of skilled labor, poor infrastructure, and competition from established European steel companies. However, Tata's vision and determination helped the company overcome these obstacles, and it continued to grow in the years that followed. The plant initially produced pig iron and steel ingots, which were used for the manufacturing of rails, sheets, and other products. The company soon gained a reputation of producing high-quality steel and became a major player in the Indian steel industry. Over the years, Tata Steel continued to grow and diversify its operations. It established new plants in other parts of India and expanded into other areas such as automobiles, power, and consumer goods. The company also made significant contributions to the social and economic development of India, including the establishment of educational and healthcare institutions. Today, Tata Steel is one of the largest steel companies in the world, with operations in several countries. It has diversified into other areas such as automobiles, power, and consumer goods. The company has a workforce of over 80,000 employees and is committed to sustainable development and corporate social responsibility. Its success is a testament to the vision and determination of its founder, Jamsetji Tata, and his belief in the potential of India's people and resources. In 2018, Tata Steel announced a mega merger with 7 of its subsidiaries to streamline its operations and create a more efficient and sustainable business model. The merger involved Tata Steel BSL, Tata Steel Long Products, Tata Metallics, Indian Steel and Wire Products, Tata Sponge Iron, Usha Martin, and Jamshedpur Continuous Annealing and Processing Company. The merger was aimed at consolidating the company's operations and reducing duplication of resources. It also aimed to improve the company's competitiveness in the global market and create a more sustainable business model. As part of the merger, Tata Steel restructured its debt and issued new shares to the shareholder of the subsidiary companies. The merger was approved by National Company Law Tribunal and was completed in early 2019. The merger created a more streamlined and efficient business model for Tata Steel, which helped the company to navigate the challenges of the global steel industries. It also helped the company to improve its financial performance and strengthen its position in the Indian and global markets. The merger was seen as a positive step for Tata Steel and its subsidiaries, as it helped to create a more sustainable and competitive business model. It also helped to improve the company's financial performance and strengthen its position in the Indian and global markets. Today, Tata Steel has announced massive investment plan of rupees 60,000 crore to expand its operations and improve its competitiveness. The new investment will be made over the next 5 years, and it includes several new projects aimed at enhancing the company's production capacity, improving efficiency, and reducing its carbon footprint. The company plans to expand its Kalinganagar plant in Odisha, which is expected to increase its production capacity by 5 million tons per year. Tata Steel also plans to modernize its existing facilities and invest in new technologies such as artificial intelligence and robotics to automate its operations and reduce energy consumption.